Hello and welcome to our new home. We just moved in a couple of days ago. Let me tell you, moving is very hard, okay? The last few months have been filled with change and excitement and planning, and also a lot of scary times where we just didn't know what we were gonna do. A lot of anxiety for me. With change comes discomfort, anxiety, these things that no one really talks about. We're always so excited to move and try something new and share our big announcements with people, especially on social media. There's so much more that comes with those changes that make you feel like, no, this is not the right move. You start to hear the voices in your head say, bad decision. Back off, stay away. Understand where it's coming from and know that it's coming out of fear and anxiety and not coming from a happy place. Just understand that before you shut it down, before you change your mind, and before you don't pursue something you really want. Last year changed everything. It really made us reconsider what we want in life. Well, we had stability and we had safe jobs and we were so extremely fortunate to have that. But we thought we had everything that we wanted. We just felt like we weren't supposed to live there anymore. But it all really changed when we just realized that nothing is for sure. No job is actually stable and safe. You don't know what's gonna happen. It is time to look within. Don't think about what others want you to do. Don't think about what is right. Don't think about what is safe. I'm not telling you to go blow all your money and dump your savings into a bougie apartment. No. Do not sue me. I can't deal with that right now. But do think about what you want. What gets you excited? That is what you need to think about before you move somewhere, before you quit your job, before you do anything. What are you looking forward to? Now's the time to do that. You don't have tomorrow. You don't have 10 years from now. The only thing that exists is today. You don't want to be stuck somewhere. You don't want to remain unhappy. You don't want to complain about everything. If you find yourself constantly complaining about the exact same thing, it's time to make a change, baby. So I encourage you to look within and figure out what you want to do next. We moved to our new apartment. We are here today. We're here right now. I'm so excited to show you our apartment and take you along on this decorating, life-changing journey. for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for room decorating, makeover, just so much to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.